Hello, Mr. Bear.
Today we are visiting the two most famous roads in Romania, Transalpina and Transfagarasan. Transalpina is the highest road in Romania and one of the highest roads in the Carpathian Mountains, having the highest point at 2,145 meters. The whole road has 139 kilometers and it's open only during the summer season and only during the daytime. It was built in the 2nd century AD by the Roman legions, which makes it one of the oldest roads in Carpathians.
Mint syrup, cherry jam, soft syrup.
We are just in Transalpina and we met a guy who was 2 times in Poland.
Yeah, he
in
spent 1
Piła
year.
and Częstochowa. He was on Erasmus from Romania, I guess.
Yes.
And we got the sticker, I love Transalpina.
And he gave us a bit of an alcohol drink.
Yeah, blueberry liqueur, very nice, very sweet. Hello. We just stopped on the way. There are some shops, we'll go there later. And 2 donkeys! Oh my god, I need to be so careful to walk here, honestly, so many poops. And I have sandals! Wait, there is a dead donkey. Okay, update, the donkey is not dead.
It's a baby.
He's just baby sleeping. And another donkey.
Run, 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 run. The rain is coming from that side. Oh, hello, baby. My love, it's raining even more. Here we are on top of Transalpina. It's raining so much and we are in the clouds. And I'm going to the edge of the road to see that it's such a nice view. Wow, that's absolutely amazing.
We have 21st of July. There is a snow. And it's not a yellow snow.
Yeah.
Look at this charming town. And here is a ski lift. I think in the winter you can come here for skiing. Amazing. Now it's not working, obviously. And this is what we're gonna eat. At the end of Transalpina, on the way to our camping in Horezu, we found a very special forest with almost 600 trees painted in different colors. It is the art project aiming to draw attention of officials on the problem of abusive deforestation in Romania. This is like a grave for the tree.
Yeah.
So here is the cut tree, and here is the kind of like a shadow, and few of those it's made the same way. The orange one, the green. Oh, welcome in my house.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
I just want to say that we just got to our next camping, and I rated 6 out of 10. It was 3 out of 10 before.
Yeah.
The toilet paper dropped in the toilet after I flushed.
That was your fault.
No, I
No?
put it on the top and
Of
it's
the-
not straight and it just rolled over once I was wearing
Yeah.
clothes.
And the lack of soap.
So let me finish the story. So it dropped and I had to pick it up because it was whole roll. So I did it and I wanted to wash my hands and they didn't have a soap. So I had to go to 3 other toilets to find the soap. Unbelievable. And I don't know what I washed my hands with. It wasn't soap.
I don't think it was.
I think it was for washing dishes or something. But we have a nice space. We could bring the bench, and showers looks decent.
Decent.
We're leaving our amazing camping. It wasn't good at all. I rated 3 out of 10. A lot of stray dogs.
Way too many.
A lot, like 15 at least. Barking all night, like fighting with each other. Honestly, like at once I was thinking there is some bear eating them.
Yeah.
The toilets terrible, no soap, dirty.
Spider nets and stuff.
A lot of flies or whatever. Showers
Were decent.
decent.
Still no soap in the sink.
Yeah, but at least, like, you know, looked better than the toilet. There is no fence, so like you can come in anytime and from any side.
Any
That's why
direction.
there is so many stray dogs, because I think, like, you know, people feeding them, so they just go there and
Yeah.
hanging.
And the city itself has many stray dogs.
Yes, I never seen in Romania so many stray dogs like here, honestly.
Yeah.
Area is nice, like green, a lot of trees, shadow, very nice. But like facilities and stray dogs, all night we couldn't sleep. It was barking all night, honestly.
Yeah, it's one of the campings sites that I will never come back again.
Yeah.
Just
From
because of
all
that.
the campings we've been, that was the worst.
Yeah.
So we just stopped in Horezu in one of the markets. They have ceramics, handmade ceramics. Hopefully it's not from China. Let's go inside. Here is a gentleman painting the ceramic plates. How long it takes to make a full set?
2-3 săptămâni.
Oh, 2-3 weeks.
Julian's mom's making pot.
Și acum o luați fără frică.
Da?
Oh, beautiful! Let's see the professional how it's making. It's a bear!
Wow.
Oh my god,
Hello,
it's
Mr. Bear.
amazing. We're in Transfagarasan now,
Yeah.
and there is a dam as well we're gonna see. Traditionally, some stands with souvenirs
Oh,
and
they have
food. They have fried corn, they have coverage and some souvenirs. We just got the
There's
alert.
the bear between the two
There
tunnels.
is the bear.
Between the two
I think
tunnels.
it's the one we've seen before. Read it.
Attention, there was seen a presence of a bear in Comuna Horezu, Transfagarasan, between the two tunnels. Do not feed him and do not expose yourself to danger. Oh my god, this is so freaking high.
I'm going up now. It's already quite high. And we're going even more. Okay, so here we are on the top. Let's see to the front. And let me present to you Romanian Iron Man.
Are you gonna eat us?
No,
He would.
no.
And another bear, this is bear number 4. Hello, Mr. Bear. We just made a stop to stretch our legs, and we're gonna go up there and we're gonna see a waterfall, that waterfall there. Now we are going to see another waterfall here.
Transfagarasan was built for military reasons in 1974 by the last Romanian dictator, Nicolae Ceausescu. It's the second highest road in Romania, just after Transalpina, with many tunnels and the highest point at Balea Lake at 2042 meters. The whole road has 114 kilometers, and the same like Transalpina is closed during winter. Grilled cheese!
No, it's Mamaliga.
Ah, it's mamaliga.
Wheat cheese. Wheat cheese, that's how they make it.
Ah, mamaliga with cheese. Everything. guess grilled corn is people's favorite. Oh, there are some sausages as well. What's the name of this lake?
Bula Lake. It's a glacier lake.
This is what I was talking about.
Right? This is the thing that we wanted to see.
The full view of the road.
Yes.
Oh, it's so beautiful. And it is